More space for adventure with a sunny disposition with the MINI Cooper S 5-door in radiant sunny-side yellow. Thanks to its well-thought-out proportions and the efficient 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, the MINI Cooper S 5-door knows no bounds. Compared to the 3-door model, the 5-door offers more spacious accommodation with increased storage space and legroom due to the additional 172 in length. The 2 extra doors make it easier for rear passengers to get in and out, and for loading and unloading the vehicle. The 60/40 split folding rear seats increase the boot volume from 275 to 925 litres. With compact exterior dimensions and short overhangs, the 5-door has a perfect turning circle of 11.4 metres, making it an ideal companion for exploring narrow alleyways. The MINI Cooper S5, doors 4-cylinder engine with 204 bhp, helps it reach a top speed of 149 miles per hour. The distinctive Chilli red colour gives the MINI Cooper Convertible S an expressive appearance, bringing out its charm. The open-top 4-seater attracts all eyes and delights with its agile handling and expressive highlights. Clearly defined surfaces and fresh accents in the exterior characterise the puristic design of the MINI Cooper Convertible. Classic design features, such as the round LED headlights with 3 optional light signatures and redesigned front grille, give the model the typical Mini face in a modern interpretation. The MINI Cooper Convertible is equipped with a suspension and damping system tuned for agile handling. In combination with the precise, brand-typical steering, it is enjoyable to drive on winding coastal roads. For open-air driving pleasure, the MINI Cooper Convertible S's 4-cylinder petrol engine produces 204 bhp and accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. On its trip to Barcelona, the new MINI Cooper Convertible shines in the elegant shade of copper grey. The convertible-specific metallic paint glistens in the Spanish sun. Thanks to the sunroof function and the ability to fully open the fully automatic roof at speeds of up to 30 km per h in just 18 seconds, a unique open-air experience is guaranteed. The roof folds compactly, providing comfortable storage space in the trunk of 160 litres even when folded. When the roof is closed, this increases to 215 litres. The integrated always-open timer counts the moments of fresh air travelled with the roof down on the round central instrument. The MINI Cooper Convertible S is powered by an efficient 4-cylinder petrol engine with 204 bhp, allowing it to reach 147 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice and reviews.